Banam Khuda. His Holiness, dignitaries on the dais, and friends. Diversity is such a desirable concept, such a simple concept, a concept which is so easy to understand, because when you look at Jahane Rangobu, nature, what do we find there except diversity? No two flowers are alike, no two trees are alike, and no two human beings are alike. So in one sense, the initiative that has been taken by my friend Professor Siddiq Wahid and his colleagues is commendable. But also, if you think very deeply about it, it should not have been necessary if we had the right kind of understanding of ourselves as human beings. But today's topic is one aspect of it, which is diversity in the Muslim world. Muslims are a global community. Their total number, according to data which is available, is around 1.6 billion. 66% of them live in Asia. 15% in what we know as West Asia, or what Europe calls Middle East. 20% in Africa. India has the second largest Muslim population of Muslims after Indonesia. The number in India, to my understanding, is around 190 million. Now, Muslims are united in their belief and in their language of religion, but diverse in mother tongues, historical experiences, manners, and customs. This is unavoidable given the spread across the globe. Muslims also subscribe to different schools of jurisprudence that developed later. And they relate, to my humble understanding, with due respect to the dignitaries here, they relate to secondary matters. Historical accidents have crystallized these into hardcore beliefs and practices. Despite these, the unity of faith is best demonstrated at the time of the annual pilgrimage of the Hajj, when pilgrims from all parts of the globe observe the same ritual. So, it can be said that there is unity in diversity and there is diversity in unity. Islam as a faith has been in India, as has been said by Mahmud Mandani Sahab, for a long time, over 1,000 years. The manifestations of Muslim life in India over this period depicts adaptability, creativity, and diversity. It has identified India it has identified with India without ceasing to be Islamic. It is, in that sense, sui generis. Its experience, nevertheless, can be a model to emulate in other multicultural, multi-religious societies around the world. I may add that it is perhaps our failure that we have not been able to portray this as a model to others and, of course, to ourselves. We lose our way in secondary matters, but this model of living together with diversity, is absolutely unique and is rarely found anywhere else in the world. So I'm very glad this initiative has been taken, a microcosmic initiative, but nevertheless a very important initiative which needs to be taken further. And if you, as Mahmood Mandani Sahab said, if you want to see the impact of that diversity, please go to the shrine in Ajmer or even nearer in New Delhi itself. Thank you very much.